LED strip lighting can brighten up just about any space with exactly the right amount of light. These are reliable, visually appealing, easy to install lighting solutions that can go anywhere. Unfortunately, issues can occur, even with these marvelous little lights. Let's learn how to troubleshoot a broken LED strip light. First, check your power source. Test the socket or battery pack for power. If none of your LED lights are functional, it may be due to a problem with the power source itself. Make sure the outlet has power. You can test an electrical socket by simply plugging in another device and determining whether there is power. If the test device functions, then your problem lies elsewhere. If not, check switches in the room and then the circuit breaker box. Second, test the voltage. A voltage regulator can be connected to a battery unit to ensure a steady constant voltage supply through all operational conditions. It also regulates voltage during power fluctuations and variations in loads. If your lights are failing while running on a battery supply, it may be time to replace or recharge the batteries. Third, confirm compatible parts. Ensure that if the power supply is rated for a 12-volt strip, you are not trying to use it with a 24-volt strip, and vice versa. Your power supply must be compatible with the voltage requirements of your LED strip. These ratings are printed both on the strip and the power supply units. Fourth, test the accessories. Make sure all your devices work together for your lights to function safely. To check for issues, try removing accessories like a dimmer. If your lights work fine without the dimmer, then the dimmer is likely causing the problem. Note that you should never attempt to connect your LED lights to AC current without an appropriate power supply driver. You can remove accessories, but never try to connect the system without the transformer. Fifth, examine connections. If everything else is fine with your power supply and accessories, the issue might be a bad connection. Check solderless connectors. If you have a multimeter, test voltage along the strip. Otherwise, visually inspect connectors for loose wires, also at the power supply adapter. Strip lights might not work due to short circuits or positive and negative wires touching. This can happen during soldering or even with solderless connectors. Sometimes, cutting the strips can also flatten copper wires, causing contact and issues. A visual examination should allow you to locate damaged wires on a cut line. If your LED light strips are working, but you see that the end of the strip is dimmer than the rest or simply not functional, you have an issue with voltage drop. To fix this, you must ensure your power supply is appropriate for the length and power requirements of your LED strips. Using a higher wattage power supply can help mitigate voltage drop. Another fix is to divide your LED strip into shorter runs and power each section separately. This reduces the distance over which voltage drop occurs. If your LED lights are flickering over the entire strip or if you notice that the power supply gets hot or makes noise, you should replace your power supply. LED lighting works well just about anywhere and can be relatively simple to install and maintain. To learn more about how to prevent flickering, voltage drop, and other issues, contact an LED expert at HitLights and get professional tips and advice on your system. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a bright day.